videotape our room. So you walk in, and we have an adjoining room where the boys are. It's right here. They're getting dressed right now, so we'll close their door. But you come in, and you have this nice entryway, and you have complimentary tequila. You get 2 little shot glasses, salt, some spicy almonds, which are really super good, and lime. And then you come over here and you have our wonderful beds.
Hello. Hi.
And then you have 2 beds. There's my husband.
Big ball of brand.
And then you come over here. You have a nice big 4K TV, a little sitting area.
Well, are we were nice or like? Yeah, you gotta wear your good shorts.
Then we're gonna come outside and look at our patio. This is so pretty.
Great.
Come out to our private patio, and we have, as there's Aiden, he's demonstrating a big, huge love
What's up?
seat,
And look, and show them
bed,
this view. Show them the view.
a nice little eating area for breakfast.
Show them the
And here's our
view.
patio.
It's the perfect patio.
Here's our room. And here's our view. Ocean center,
So beautiful.
separated by grass.
Love it.
And if you look around this corner right here, it's the boys' room. Totally gorgeous. Now I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom is really nice. Go through here, step up. Oh, and this room comes complete with butler service, where they will press your 2 garments for you. So probably tomorrow when we go for a nice dinner, they'll press one of my dresses. But they have a nice huge closet for your clothes. And they have a secondary closet here where they have your safe, hair dryer, brushes, shoe polish, and they have some extra things, a tote bag probably for the beach, and they have some robes.
And they have me in there.
You have Aiden in there, and then they come into the bathroom. It's really ornate and pretty in here. You have your complimentary water. Look at the sink, it's so pretty. You have your tissues. You have your body moisturizer in this pretty bottle. Your nice spa soap, blue agave. You have a fabric washcloth. Your 2 face towels. I've already put my toothbrush in there with my water. And then you have a lot of storage space down here where I put my makeup. And then you have your shower, which is really pretty. It's nice. Let's see how you turn that light on. Here's the light. So you go in here, and then you have, they have given us a cute conditioner shampoo. Look at that bottle. Shampoo, here's the conditioner in these cute bottles. And you have bathing gel, and you have another body bar, shower cap, nice loofah, our shower towels, beautiful waterfall, shower head. And what's nice is they separate the toilet area. So you can come in and close your door, frosted door. And they actually have incense where you can actually burn that so it doesn't stink up the room. And there's an extra one right there. You put it in there and you burn it. Here's your matches. So clever, all these little details. Mirror for my makeup. That looks like a little bamboo plant. Very nice. We're on our way to Agua for a semi-casual dinner right now. There's my daughter Emma. This is her bed. But just the detail of this room, it's probably the nicest room we've ever stayed in coming to Cabo. We've been here, this is our third time staying in Cabo, and we've stayed at the Pueblo Bonito, Blanco, and then we stayed at the Hilton, which was amazing. I love the Hilton. And then we had to try the one and only Palmilla. Blown away.
It's
Gorgeous.
like one big suite.